What's going on, guys? We're out here cleaning the garage. We're usually out here spending most of our time over here, so we're trying to make it look nice. Right now it's all messy because we moved stuff around. We already took out the bed and all that. But we're gonna show you the process, boys. Don't mind the music, don't mind the music. We got the music going. It's getting a low-key cleaner over here. Low-key cleaner. We still got some stuff to move though. But right now we'll get it. Man down, man down. Sheesh. Yo, we should taking some anger out. Hell yeah. Oh shoot. Almost, how long was that? Like an hour? Hour and a half maybe? Yeah, that's pretty quick. Yeah, we still got some stuff to look through. But for the most part, everything's looking pretty clean. Bro, are you serious? No way! Oh my goodness! Nah, yeah, cause it's gonna take up too much room, huh? And then when his mom asked me, hey, go get some toilet paper. Get the whole pot. Oh, that's quick, huh? That's quick. Wait, Misa, what's secret stash? What are you? Dude, no one wants to see your little tire pump, bro.
Bicycle, right? Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga.
Oh, okay, okay.
Swear
he got a new tube?
What is that?
What is that?
Open it, bro. I can't see. Fuck.
It's retard proof, remember?
Wait, put a flash. Put a flash.
I'm fucking live.
Nigga said put a flash, put a flash.
I cannot see what's happening here.
Wait, can I try?
Wait. It's retard proof. You gotta push it down and then twist it.
Nigga, that's helping my fucking vitamins.
What is that?
Really, nigga?
Hey, go ask me if
Hey, this magic.
Oh, hey, go ask me play baseball.
I don't condone this, boys. No way, no way.
Dude, I laugh.
Wait, are you going to the gym later or what?
I'm gonna go at 4.
Oh!
And then after that, I'm done, nigga. The rest of the day.
Damn, must be nice.
We taking a little break, boys. We taking a little break. Alright, boys, this is the last little push we need to do. You guys can see, we're pretty much done here, dude. There's some garbage over there. Look at the final product. Actually, over time we're gonna be adding and taking things away, you know what I'm saying? But overall, we're gonna throw all this away. We're just having it out here just so we can make room. I'm gonna try parking in there just to see how that would work. But boys, this looks so sick. And we're gonna decorate things, you know, just over time everything's gonna be looking nicer too. Jeez. Yeah, like the whole car is possessed.
It's because of the stuff right there, huh?
Yeah, you can't go forward.
Yeah, no.
When it was a car, there'll be more space next to it.
All that.
Because look at my van and your van are the same size, so it'll be away from the
R.I.P. to the slot.
Oh wait, keep on going, keep on going. Never mind. Are you good?
This nigga said keep on going. Oh, that shit actually sounds hella nice.
I think, I'm not sure. Dude, hella better.
Nah, hey, you win.
Are you good? What?
It's gonna be cool because we're still gonna have a like little crew hanging out.
Should I back up a little bit more? Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh. You're good, you're good. Oh, look, even room to open the door. Yeah, but then the amount is gonna be so easy. It'll be harder, they want to fucking harder. I think I'll have to go like more this way. Nah, yeah, if you put it over there more, then you'll be chilling. Oh.
What do you think my sister? My sister doesn't get a fucking deal with
This is kind of tricky, dude. I thought it was gonna be a little easier.
Yeah, that's all.
But me carita está un poquito más anchito. We pretty much finished the whole garage. Let me just show you guys real quick what it came out like. Over time, things are gonna change though, but this is pretty much how we have it right now. You know what I'm saying? This is way better than before though. Christmas is coming up, or December I should say. We got the lights up and everything. Actually, we installed these. I didn't record this, but we put 2 lights on here because it was dark. Because these over here blew out. I'm pretty sure you guys can see how dark they are. Or burnt, I mean. But it looks pretty good, boys. Looks pretty good.
Let me guess. Your home?
It was. And it was beautiful. Titan was like most planets. Too many mouths, not enough to go around.